Pretty Milwaukee white. Not perfect, not bad. The key is to get it pretty clean. I use brake clean. Kind of grind that tip in there. Dries very fast. You're going to have a little bit on the edges. You'd probably take a Q-tip. Or in this case a fingernail or a fingertip and clean it up. Anything's an improvement over what it was. And these are shiny Huskies. These are really nice sockets, but they're about 3 times the price as the impact sockets, the deep wheel impacts from Harbor Freight. These are a really smooth, slick finish. The Harbor Freight has a Parkerized. This works on them too. The paint will smear more on a Parkerized socket. I'll show you. The paint smeared really bad because these have like a Parkerized surface. These are very smooth, just like a piece of glass. They're nice. And now they're legible. Thanks for watching. Work safe out there.